Hello everyone, in front of me is Vivo Y95 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. At first open your phone dialer, then enroll contacts, choose the one that you want to personalize and mark profile picture icon. Now you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you or choose something from the gallery. So let me choose something. Now pick the photo that you wish to add, crop it however you like, and then mark done. So here it is, and just go back, and as you can see, it is already added. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.